What's good, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Weekly Outlook. Now, of course, I did mention in the last video that this specific week is going to be mad volatile, not just specific to gold, but even silver, Bitcoin, be it any index that you're trading or any other thing that you are interested at, right? So be very careful of this specific week. Please take stop losses if it's necessary, but do not carry your positions. This is going to be a top or a bottom for the coming few months, so be very mindful of what you are trading. And currently looking at gold, what I personally think, let's quickly find that out. So there are a lot of fundamental events as well taking place, right? In the meantime, while I already mentioned that this week is very important for me based on my time analysis. Now, if I look at silver, so silver does look really good, right? We look fine, as in on a monthly time frame we have created a higher high, and now we look like we are taking support from the previous 28, 29 odd levels. So this is fine, and this might gain strength once we on a weekly time frame, once we start going higher about 31, 32 maybe approximately, right? So in my opinion, silver still looks bullish, still looks very fair to continue higher, right? And I positionally I'll remain bullish as long as this low is protected, which is 26.4, which is sort of a long shot as of now. And let's quickly speak about gold. So on gold, the only problem that I have is on a daily time frame we are still, technically speaking, we are still bearish. However, weekly we are building up slow and steadily with good strength, that maybe if we survive about 27.30 to 27.40, we might continue higher above all-time high, right? So as of now there is no real very clean super one-sided bias, right? So what I want personally is this: either you will see a manipulation and a structure break and a continuation right towards the break of 2500, or else you will see the opposite, a break, continuation, retest, followed by all-time highs again, right? So this is a very key time. That is why I'm suggesting don't hold your positions, take stop losses if necessary. This is a very interesting time, and the best advice would just be that stay away, wait until market is actually confirming what wherever it is headed, and only then jump on that train, right? You don't want to be sitting in the wrong train, especially during a very sensitive time, which will take direction for at least next 2 to 3 months minimum. Okay, so this is pretty much it on gold, a very brief positional view wherein I am seeing either all-time highs once again, or if we dump below, then we are 100% going towards 2560 and anywhere below 2600 to 2500 minimum. Okay, so that's a basic outlook. As of now it's still not confirmed, as we must either fake out of this resistance, or we must dump below this, right? Or we must survive and continue above this, right? These are the only two possibilities. So we just need to wait and watch, because this is very sensitive time. And in saying that, my bias still remains bullish. I really want it to continue higher based on my theory that the war situation might escalate again anywhere from Feb first week or so. So based on this, that is why I think maybe we can be bullish again. But let's see. Now we have dollar index. So what I was looking at is this. Let's go on a monthly time frame. So we have a very good accumulation, and this is the first time we are testing this, right? So we might see a temporary hold or a temporary correction, something like this. But overall, I personally believe we can continue higher on the dollar index, because it looks really very healthy to me, and we have a very good monthly close above. So dollar index, I'm very bullish on this. On euro, GBP, you can expect corrections, basically a bullish pullback coming very soon, but nothing as of now, nothing as we speak. Let's take a quick look on euro. Ignore the setups, they're just power candle setups. Okay, so this was a very important low. We broke below. I think it was a fair value gap if I'm not wrong. Yeah, we dumped right into it and now we are recovering. So my opinion is that we will at least try to get back into 1.06 293 odd levels in the coming days. So you can plan your longs accordingly. As of now, I would still want to wait either for a power candle setup, or I would want some higher low setup to continue looking for longs for a swing to target this specific high. Okay, I think that's pretty much it on EU. Let's quickly talk about GU. So GU is looking very weak, to be honest. However, this low is still protected, which is very good sign, and once we start trading again above this range, right, it will gain strength and we will continue to push higher. So on GU, my first target would be 1.23660, and after that I would love to see if we could touch anywhere around this level, 1.25 odd levels. Okay, so these are the only two targets for me that I would be super interested in for EU and GU. So I guess that's pretty much it. We have GC futures as well, and it's pretty much the same price action. There's nothing significant apart from one very important detail, that we have partially broken this structure internally. Okay, and as long as we don't break this high, gold is supposed to be bearish. Okay, so all the bullish trades that I gave were meant to be closed at before this high itself, based on the XAUSD chart. However, I am bullish because I feel maybe we might just have a support being formed and a breakout again out of this. So this is the only condition for being bullish. Otherwise there's a good chance we'll start dumping on gold. Okay, so let's see. That's pretty much it. It's a tough week, please be sure of that, and I would suggest, even if you're trading, risk little, and that would be it. I hope you found the video helpful, guys. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.